Hello, hello, hello! Tim, your message did not show up in my other chat, but I see you. Hello. More hats would be nice, to be honest. As you can see, we have Overwatch over here. Let's minimize the music for now. I'll keep it playing. Oh, every single time. Guess what I forget? Little bit of light to the face. Otherwise, I look like a tomato. Okay. That is the wrong scene as well. Hold on. Hotkeys. Switch to scene. Clear. Main. There we go. Yeah, my power's definitely on. Different parts of Melbourne really struggled. I looked at one particular power company, and at about 3 o'clock, they had 2,900 people offline, and by about 4:30, they had about 100 offline. So I think it's come back for at least most of the east half of Victoria. I have heard that the west side is having a lot of trouble though. Okay, let's take a look here, just quickly. So this is Tracer's new hat, right here. Oh, and the summer's there. I'm gonna quickly switch this to 60. Not 2560, why do you do this to me? Okay, enjoy dinner, Tim. Thanks for hanging out.
Hey!
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
You got it, first time.
I know, right? That's a first.
I'm just gonna quickly show everyone on stream the new skins, and then we'll probably jump into either some quick play or some arcade. I don't know who else will be joining us.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
Man, I don't understand. Why is it sources are so easy and then scenes and groups? I don't get it.
So Zenyatta has a nice cool hat as well. Don't worry, Undersummer, you'll figure it out.
Sorry for everybody watching who doesn't understand what I'm talking about. It's just my head is just spinning. I don't get it.
Okay, so when it comes to new hats, we've got... I didn't see the Reaper skin earlier, but it is incredible. Like, okay, that is how you design a Reaper skin.
I saw it like on preview or something for like one of the opening things for the game. It looks amazing.
Yep. So Brigitte has a new hat. Orisa has a new mask, which could technically be a hat. Hanzo has a new hat. Reaper has a new hat. Reinhardt has a new hat. Torbjorn does not have a hat, but he has a glorious beard and some great hair. Tracer has a new hat. And Zenyatta has a new hat. So a lot of pretty good hats. I actually really like the Zen skin.
Does Ashe have... Ashe does not have a new skin.
No.
That's unfortunate.
I like the new soldier emote. It's great. I'm a bit confused about the Ana emote. As far as I know, that's some kind of game, but I don't know how the game works, and therefore I don't understand the emote itself.
I think that's That's old school dice. That's like Chinese dice.
Yeah, it's called Yut Nori.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I remember
Ash
seeing
has
something like
a
that.
lighting the fuse victory pose. That is beautiful.
Actually.
Holy crap.
Oh,
Doomfist has a lot
that's
of fireworks. Who gave Doomfist the fireworks?
the new skin for Reaper is super expensive.
Yeah, it would be
Why?
3,000 because it's a legendary, which is normally 1,000, and it's a current event skin, therefore it's multiplied by 3. Oh my god. Take a look at Reaper's new victory pose. And it works really well with the skin that I've got for him.
Victory pose. Oh.
Yep, all of these guys have too many fireworks. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm looking at Hammonds now. Just surrounded by fireworks.
Actually, you know what? I never play Lucio. But it would be fun to have one of the emotes.
The new Ash spray is really cool too. Called Dragon Dance, and Bob's holding the back half of the dragon. Which means there is a... Oh, actually, Brigitte has a back half of the dragon as well. Meaning they can be paired with the front half.
Is it?
Oh,
not
actually, Hammond has one too.
That. Wait, I'm confused.
Which one? The Lucio one is a highlight intro.
No, when Lucio is it when he like stands still or something where he pulls out the music or something?
Oh, that one is not part of an event. It's from Overwatch League.
Oh.
So there's one where he starts playing music.
So that's not something you can get through the...
No, they don't come in regular loot boxes. I also wanted to check. Let's hear some of these voice lines.
No one likes a squealer. Ready for the fireworks to begin.
Allt som glimmar är inte guld. Who's ready to party?
Ooh, I like that Brigitte line. Who's ready to party?
Happy New Year!
How's that for some fireworks?
To the moon and back. Assessing luck. Great fortune. Engaging festive mode.
So Tracer didn't get any voice lines again. There are some good things here. Alright, let's open my loot box and then play some games.
Who's ready to party?
Yes! Okay. Serious question now. The Who's Ready to Party voice line for Brigitte. I need to replace a different voice line to grab that one. Do I replace It's Just a Flesh Wound? You're not scared, are you? I made that just for you, or Mace to the Face? I'm thinking I made that just for you. Because I can't bring myself to taking away It's Just a Flesh Wound.
Oh, that one. Yeah. Because that's a reference to I would imagine that's a reference to the wow, brain fart.
Yeah, I'm blanking as well.
You know what I'm talking about though, right?
Mm-hmm.
The what is it? The
Pointless
Monty Python. My
Yes.
God, Monty Python, and then the I forget which sketch. It's Monty.
It would be the Holy Grail one, wouldn't it?
It's part of Holy Grail, but it's like the Black Knight sketch, or I can't remember the name of it. Black Knight or Holy Knight, something. But the guy hopping around without a leg. It's only flesh wound.
He loses both his legs and both his arms. It's just a flesh wound. And he still wants to fight. And now we look for a game.
Ugh. Oh man, I don't get it. I'm still trying. I'm like, in my head, I'm working it out. I really hope I don't have to rewrite like the entirety of whatever OBS is doing, because I don't see why I would have to. It wouldn't make sense. Like there's something to what OBS does for adding scenes and sources that I'm clearly missing.
Traveling to Mumbai. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Oh, and then the other thing, when I was testing it, it seems like the load function, even though the save and load all like it keeps all of the extra data about the source that I don't necessarily need, like the position stuff, but it does keep that. And I was assuming the load would also use that, and that's not what happens. So there's something else to loading.
Hi, Sonic.
sources that I don't get.
Sounds frustrating.
Commences in 30 seconds.
Yep.
Hello. Waiting for.
Hello.
Had a nice nap?
Yeah, it was alright.
Leave this to a professional. 2, 1. Attack commences. Get capture objective A.
Probably gonna
Here we go.
Jim. So it's just, I don't know. I'm gonna default to asking Jim. Hester Jim, because he should know.
He should, yeah. Also, Sombra just killed Widow.
Done goofed.
I can tell.
I went in too deep. And then the horse thing pulled me in closer.
Clearing the area.
I don't remember her name.
Oh god! I have regrets, I got stuck on the stairs!
Oh.
Back into the fray.
Really? They're on the left.
Everyone, get on the objective.
Got Mercy.
Move back.
Oh no! Sombra hacked me! Help! I need help! Oh, there's a Moira! Oh, the rest of the team died. Well, that explains it.
Where the hell did my dynamite go? Did my
Ran
dynamite
away.
just go through the floor?
It can in very certain locations.
Oh no. It just...
Clearing the area.
That was weird. That was not where I threw it.
It does bounce, so. There we go, payback.
Didn't seem like it bounced. It seemed like it kind of just sticks wherever it goes, except for on walls.
Moira. Who else? Oh, Mercy. R.I.P. Mercy.
Mercy.
Oh, I'm missing my overlay.
Spotted them.
I think I got Moira.
There we go.
Oh no.
Escort the payload.
Let's keep the payload moving.
Oh no, Sombra,
I have
why?
my ult. I can't use ult. I have my ult, can't use ult.
I don't have my ult yet.
That would have been like a great time because everybody was there.
Back online.
Yeah. It's the downside of Sombra ult.
Oh.
Clearing the area.
Let's get this moving.
Oh. Oh. I'm alive. Not for long.
Schutzengel ist da. Enemies re-engaging. Justice reigns.
Yeah, Moira.
Frickin' Orisa kept moving while I was trying to shoot her.
Oh shoot. Oh.
Back online.
I just noticed my dynamite can bounce off of people. Did not know that.
Yeah,
Did not
my
realize
my original understanding was that the dynamite was going to be sticky, but it ended up being bouncy instead.
Well, I know it bounces off of walls. I was under the impression it stuck to floors, bounced off walls, but now I'm realizing it does more than that. It also bounces off of people,
Yeah.
which is great.
Orisa hurts. Orisa hurts a lot.
That is how you get around Orisa's barrier.
Yeah, I was gonna say, not star.
Thank you.
The alternative is to
I've
destroy
learned-
it.
Yeah, but I mean, she kind of like respawns it.
Very, very quickly. It's unfair.
Yeah, it's like about the same amount of time she puts it down, and you might be able to destroy it. She can get it back up. So there's not really much point.
Yeah, I guess it does depend on how far.
Oh no, I got hacked. Sombra really doesn't like me.
Oh, also, the other thing, the timer on the dynamite only starts when it lands on the ground. That's another
Correct.
thing that I would not have expected.
Enemies revived.
Although, it does come in useful sometimes, because you can, like, throw it and then be like, haha, and get people by surprise, because it's just kind of sitting there.
Oh,
Oh my god.
that was a damage boosted Reinhardt Fire Strike
Back in
that was damage boosted by both Orisa and by
Mercy.
Mercy. Either that or it was just that
Oof.
Orisa pulled me in. That's also a possibility. Trace is probably gonna die. Ah.
That felt sad.
justice reigns from above.
Well, that split them up a bit.
Late, I know, but it was damage boosted by Orisa. She dropped.
Surprised I hit somebody with that.
Cool, I thought so. Thanks for the confirmation.
Payload's on the way.
So, Reaper not only got 2 buffs this patch, but he also got a really, really good skin.
2. I thought it was just his lifesteal.
His lifesteal plus the general armor nerf.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Because that affects him greatly, because his whole point is he's a tank buster.
And all of his damage used to get mitigated really hard because it was all in pellets that all of their damage got punished.
Yep.
I completely forgot about the armor faction.
Well, he used to be really good with the like how he healed by picking up souls from kills, and then they really nerfed him with whatever.
And then they've been bringing him back since then, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's because he's meant to be the designated tank killer, but he just can't do it. There's so many heroes that are better for it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's not really a matter of his lifesteal or anything, it's just his kit doesn't work.
No, there was a big discussion on Reddit of people saying his lifesteal wasn't the problem, his teleport is the problem. He can't get in there to do the damage.
Yeah, like he's... Considering his weapon style, like the dual shotguns where you've got to be in people's faces to hit them, he doesn't have enough mobility. He needs more mobility.
Which I 100% agree with.
Oh god. I only had 6 health.
I know how you feel.
I thought I heard talk of them fiddling
Oh no!
with his teleport. But I guess they're not.
Dunno. They haven't touched his teleport in a while.
Yeah, I know, like, I don't know, I think people were wanting them to do it.
No.
But I thought there was talk about them actually changing it. But probably not. Considering they haven't yet.
Oh crap. Yay.
Where's that Sombra? Got it.
Got her. Have my ults ready.
Same.
Mom!
Oh no!
You got Bob out. How come Bob was trying to shoot the supercharger through the shield?
None of them are close enough.
I mean, that they're all dead.
We did it.
We did it! Hooray! Now that is a nice, nice animation. Nice picture.
It's really good.
How come the 4K from the Reaper at the start of the game wasn't play of the game?
Nobody understands how the play of the game system works anymore. It's arbitrary.
I don't get it. I've seen several games now recently where the play of the game was just a single kill and like nothing else.
Yeah. I don't know, like, I can
like,
kind of
okay.
understand like a shutdown or a lifesaver. Sometimes they'll overtake, you know, a 3 or 4K, but there are some of them where it just makes 0 sense at all.
Now arriving at Lijiang Tower. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Damn it. Well, I'll do this.
I will protect the innocent.
0 is null. I disagree!
0 is not null. Well, technically it is, but in C++ they made a distinction.
Well, JavaScript has some level of a distinction. One is numeric, one is not. Also, my frame rate just went... Hell is my game doing? Hold on.
No.
Getting really upset, apparently.
Yeah, like I'm at
Jeez, yeah, I can see
7
it on
FPS.
stream.
Oh my god.
9 FPS. I need a...
What just happened?
I don't know how to fix this. Not quickly and not easily.
Game is, upset.
Well, it's something
Whoa.
weird that my monitor started doing today where it just keeps, like, randomly reconnecting. And I think it just tried to do that. I need Task Manager to kind of reprioritize
Scratch, you'll be
the
fine.
game. Oh, there we go. I open Task Manager and it goes back to normal.
Ah!
Oh! Windows Modules Installer Worker is hogging my CPU, that's why. Okay. Well, let me
Windows Update
reprioritize.
is running background.
It would be, yes, because a new Insider build came out today. Okay. I killed the process, we'll see when it comes back.
Ow, Hanzo, stop.
Of course it would be Windows Update. Oh god.
Well, I mean, I'm the one who signed up for the fast ring, you know? It's a new build almost every week.
Oh.
Yeah.
Have they fixed the audio settings being reset every update yet?
Actually, it was much better last week. I haven't updated to this week's build yet, but I'll let you know how it goes, because I did not have anything reset this last time.
Thank goodness. 'Cause
And
I've
in this week's build, they're bringing back the old volume mixer to the right-click menu because enough people complained that it wasn't there and there wasn't a suitable replacement for it. So, thank God. Oh, Hanzo's gonna... I just noticed their Tracer's name is Fondle.
Oh. Okay. That Genji's mean.
Back in action.
Yep, you won't leave me alone.
Get back.
He's not leaving you or me alone. Well, I have my ult.
So do I, but I'm not gonna waste it while we're kicking them out of the area.
Ow. Not again.
Oh god. Oh. I changed my mind. I wanted to at least get the Lucio and the Hanzo. That should help.
No. No. No.
Nice.
I hate Genji.
Action. Move back.
Oh, I forgot that this map gets little lights for New Year's.
Does it?
Yeah. On the way from spawn.
I never noticed because I hate this map.
Oh.
Lucio's keeping the point for us, but we're not going to hold it.
Boost. That was a wasted Ana
Back in
boost.
action.
Well, the point is that it can keep you alive for that little bit extra.
Yep.
Not enough if you're DPS, but...
I didn't get anybody with it was the problem.
I was hoping that due to the heal damage boost and speed in the block,
Oh god.
trying to catch people off guard, to be able to get one.
Oh my god.
I am not getting any base, so I can't actually hear my rocket shots hitting the ground.
Yeah, I'm not good with McCree. It's-
Yeah, it's funny because McCree and Ash are very similar in their shooting styles. Like, they pretty much have the same type of weapon, but they're so different that it's weird.
I always
Not
knew
really.
that the
I
day
don't know
would
why.
come.
I'm just not good with precision weapons, but the Ash forces... If you play her with the sniper focused in, it forces you to fire slower. And for whatever reason, I'm better with that. Whereas with McCree, I just hold the button down, and I know I shouldn't do that. But it's just
I do
like...
the same thing. The way I see it, if I shoot enough, at least one of the balls.
Do you see the lights now, Sonic?
Nope.
It's the big orange ones along the top.
No. No, I literally don't have lights. My graphics set.
Oh, really?
Oh.
That's depressing. Hi, Akko. Long time no see.
Where is everybody?
Gotta continue.
No! Ah! Hanzo!
Oh, Trace is gonna kill me.
It's gonna be one of these days.
One of these days contains a lot of pain. Woo!
Oh, come on!
Ow.
I will not
Okay.
fail again.
That doesn't make any sense.
No! I should just switch. I should just switch. I should just switch.
I am not going to go in there.
I'm taking the objective.
Maybe I should just change the Can you change the crosshair, McCree?
You can change the crosshair on anyone to anything. There are lots of options.
You know what it might be? I just might hate the circle. I'm way better with the little cross.
Oh, I'm dead.
I will not fail again.
See, I made mine purple, but it retains the color, the shape that every hero has, because certain ones grow bigger based on how long you shoot for, and I didn't want to lose that functionality.
Oh, I mean, I was gonna say
I got
you
wrecked.
can't turn that on and off. You can turn that on and off if you want.
Yeah, but you can't turn it on per type of crosshair. It's only on the default crosshair for each hero.
Lock it off.
I did not know that, to be honest. Well,
Oh! Akko's in. Akko, carry us.
because some arsehole.
Got her! Worth it!
Yeah, some guy bloody afraid of it. He's an idiot.
My team needs me.
Oh. Oh, wait. I thought it was Anna that got me.
No, it was probably Zen, shooting from the left.
Yep. Anna threw a grenade, and I was under the impression it was the grenade. Got me. Words.
Nice, nice.
Oh! Hanzo, no.
Oh, the Ana's keeping the frickin' Rhine alive. Oh, damn it, Hanzo.
That Hanzo was OP.
Damn.
He kept me from reaching point like 3 or 4 times.
Play of the game.
What's gonna happen here? Oh. This is... Okay.
Oh, rip.
Ah. Okay. I'm gonna... You know, I'm gonna do the thing. How do you change the crosshair?
You go into options, you go into controls, you pick the hero, and then the third category is reticle.
Or if you just go all heroes, it'll change your crosshair flat across everything.
Yep. I recommend purple because it sticks out.
Okay.
Now entering King's Row. Prepare to attack.
So it's only the default crosshair that gives the little indication that it's like...
That you're currently shooting,
yeah.
yes.
Huh. Weird. That seems odd. I would think that like all the crosshairs have...
Well, they would have to then customize every crosshair for every hero, right?
Hmm.
I'll just turn it off.
I will protect the innocent.
Yeah, let's see how this goes.
No, I personally don't see the reason.
And then
for
you
the-
okay, and then you're saying purple.
Mm-hmm.
Attack
How does
commences in 30 seconds.
okay? Reticle advanced. Okay.
Yeah, type default color purple.
Dark purple. Oh, that's purple.
The 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth from the top.
Okay. Yeah, I might have gone the purple. That's
Capturing the area.
there's pink and then there's purple.
Nah. Light blue.
Oh, this is so much better. Oh my god. Hello, my friends.
Yes, got her!
System repaired.
I may have put too many thinking emojis in there, Andasama.
Just a few too many.
Oh jeez, Brigitte, no! Oh no!
Got the bastion.
So do you think the 69 Master was complaining about us?
Who?
In team chat.
The payload.
G'day, cover.
Move back.
I have no idea. Oh.
I mean, I would assume so. And the other team doesn't even have a 4-stack, so honestly I don't know what he's talking about. But he wasn't in our last game. That's all I do know.
Damn it.
Is there someone hiding here? No.
I think
Ow.
I'm gonna try the
Kill the Hammond! Kill the Hammond! Got him.
as opposed to purple. Purple does sort of blend in.
Uh-oh. It hurts.
Experience tranquility.
Justice reigns from above.
Overkill much?
That was mean.
It was me and Asama's ult. I say good teamwork.
Wow, I can't. Okay. I'm gonna have to change the color on that. Because I could not hit that.
Yeah, he's only saying that because I'm a freaking... Because I'm playing Arna.
No, because we're beating them so heavily. If we were losing, he would be singing a different tune.
Oh god, they're all perfect. Jeez, oh, shit.
I'm on a roll.
That was a terrible throw.
Me and Naka got everyone.
Frosty thought. Some people have awesome names. Oh, Winston Bubble.
Hold on. Aw, I was hoping I could push him off the edge.
Oh, the monkeys won!
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry, I can't reload. It's alright, just back out and let it use it. You only have to wait 30 seconds.
No! Oh no!
No, the Reaper hurts! Man, I thought I had that, because I could have ulted right at the end.
Back in action.
Because that was a pretty good fight there.
I almost had a triple kill.
We need to move the payload.
But almost is not a triple kill.
Oh,
Exactly.
almost is not a triple kill.
Hmm.
That's a very dead soldier. Oh my god. Oh, I don't
Stop
grab.
moving! Thank you. Oh my god, I just realized he stunned me in the middle of my...
Okay, I got 3 of them. You guys finish the rest.
Yeah, we got this.
You can do it!
I will not.
How did I miss that?
I can't hit the damn.
Oh no!
Everybody's dead.
No, half the team just isn't touching the point. Like, who plays long-range Junkrat?
Shots right now. I mean, considering where he's sitting, it's probably not a bad spot.
That just looked like Reaper friggin' jumped off the ledge. No, sorry, not Reaper, Soldier. But he didn't, which is unfortunate.
Rip.
Clearing the area.
Yeah, now it's time to fall back.
Group up.
Yeah, right?
That was a little too far away from wall.
My ultimate is
Just a bit.
Damn, you don't play this game for a week, you forget how to shoot things.
Yep.
Junkrat, stop running away from the healing, you idiot! I feel sorry for divas, man. You can kill them so much easier than before now.
Yep. Oh god. I'm so dead.
Oh,
Just tanks in general these days is just painful.
Well, because, yeah, plus the nerf today, it's like, do they not want people playing tanks? Because that's how you get people to not play tanks.
No, they just wanted to stop people fucking using ghosts.
Yes, but it shouldn't be a battle between goats and zero tanks.
Nah, you can never get rid of
Back
tanks.
in action.
Doesn't work like that, unfortunately.
I don't know. We just played a match with no tanks on our team.
Yeah, but Blizzard doesn't care about people at our skill level.
This is true. Haha!
oh, nice.
I am unstoppable.
Oh, nice.
I'm just glad the Junkrat finished off the Bastion before the shield from Winston came up.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
like,
look at that.
I was wondering why you stopped shooting the Bastion.
Because I thought he would die from that rocket shot, but he didn't. Because he was being healed by the Ana.
It's not dead until you see him fall apart.
Yeah, unfortunately. But I didn't want to waste a shot on a possibly dead Bastion, so I moved on.
Fair point.
Now enter
Also true, yes.
and prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Should we try to get Fenrir in here?
The real Fenrir?
Oh, was that not Fenrir?
No, he's AFK. I don't even know if I have him on Yeah, no. His BattleNet is the full Fenrir the VT or whatever it is.
I will protect the innocent.
Yeah, he's AFK at the moment.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I need more voice lines for Ash.
Yes,
Apparently,
we were.
All I've got is we have an understanding.
We have an understanding.
Show them what you can do.
He didn't
He
seem
wasn't
to
at
be.
Yeah, at the start of the last round, he seemed a little upset. Not sure why, considering the round only just started.
Mm-hmm.
US police radio, I don't believe is encrypted.
Where's, what are you expecting? It's King's Row!
I know, and I saw the Widow, but I wanted to at least hit her once. which I did, I took out about 10 of her health.
Online.
Yeah, but I was gonna say, like, Widow can shoot you before your bullet will even hit her. Also, she is insane.
Yeah.
Like,
Yep, she's taken out most of our team.
What the fuck is this shit?
I hate sim turrets. I hate them.
She's really good.
Ash, why aren't you dead yet? Woo! Thank God, and summer.
No problem.
Oh, it's a Junkrat.
I don't like Junkrats. Why am I missing the easiest shots?
Oh, Sonic. Nice.
Ow.
Oh no! He tried to charge me point blank! I panicked!
I can't.
Health restored.
Oh, she's escaping, is she?
No! She's escaping and there's sim turrets! I didn't agree to that. That didn't hit the Widow
really
at all.
should be standing out in the open with the
Yeah, no.
Widow.
Don't let that Widow get ya.
Oh my god. No. Stop.
No! I'm his! Oh, that could have been so good.
Back in action.
Oh, I did that too early.
Clearing the
They
area.
really... Oh,
Yeah.
God.
I can't heal through that. I'm sorry.
No.
She's so good. My, holy crap.
That was okay. Ah, that worked.
We need to keep that Widow down because she just goes on killing sprees.
No, I'll just stay
Yeah.
in the corner. I don't know where she is. That's my scary.
She's over by the... What? Okay, she was in midair. Never mind. She moves too fast. Nice one.
Bullshit.
I saw that shot.
My team needs me.
Healing enough.
Nano, move back.
Why did that not? Oh, I tried.
Yeah, Bob finished off their entire team for you.
Yay.
What the f- Nah, she is bullshit.
Yeah, no, she's...
I agree.
Clearing the area.
Got her!
really good.
Oh yeah. Now I just need to wait for this,
I kind of want to watch her a bit more. That was a rather questionable
Health
kill she
restored.
just got on me. She tracked me through the wall as I walked around from behind her car.
Ah! There we go!
I wasted the Junkrat. Everybody else was behind the Reinhardt.
Run it!
Somebody tapped the goal. Oh, okay, never mind.
Nah, it was just me and Nako. We would have died immediately.
My team needs me.
Well, shit.
Get healed.
Move back.
What was C3 working on, Andasama?
C3? I don't remember.
In the Tools and Plugins channel, he said, I'll tidy it up and issue the PR for review.
I have no clue.
They were talking
But you stop flying out of my heels!
either VSTs or ASIO. And last will be the Linux
It's not
version.
it's not either of those. I mean, VST maybe, but VST 3 has the license issue, as does ASIO, so I don't think it's So, oh, there's the somebody showed up who was like, hey, there's a thing about resizing plugins, and then they posted the code and they didn't actually PR it, and I think C3 was like, oh, I'll do that. So there's gonna be an update where the
Sus Pixel posted something, yeah? Suspicious Pixel?
Go.
Oh. That guy's annoying. Although it's not his fault. It's more the product he was using.
Oh yeah.
This is one of the reasons why, like, I did ASIO, and at first I was like really into it, and I was like hoping to make like a lot of it out of it, and then what ended up happening was that turns out the company
legally can't do it.
Well, it can, but it's just a pain in the ass because you have to like reverse engineer stuff, which we did, and then past that point, then there's the fact that all these companies issue really crappy drivers. So
oh yeah,
half the products that people are using don't even like work properly, which is like, what even? Why?
Yeah, why would you make a device with crappy drivers?
I don't know. I just, and that was the issue with this guy's thing, was that it was detectable but not usable by like any of the versions of plugins that we had going. So
I got the Widow. We're safe.
I don't think we're safe. Ooh.
Yeah, we are.
Thanks. Got it.
Thank you so much, Sonic.
Reality bends to my will.
Yeah, Widow's still around that right side.
No, I killed her. She's respawned.
Oh, it's Ash, never mind.
Yeah, it's Ash. Nice.
Oh, and then the other weird thing, there's ASIO itself is actually really shitty. It's
Oh no! I moved to get a better position and everyone got hammered. Oh no, we're good.
Systems at max.
Oh.
Yes!
What a finish. It's really useful. I mean, it does what it's meant to do, which is low latency, and they pull that off with the
and many channels.
And many channels, but that's about all it is. And so yeah, the issue then becomes and then part of the API is like every channel has its own sample rate and all this other nonsense. So like it's just about as useful as having a ton of mono devices if you want it.
Yeah.
Depending on whether the device supports it. Problem is, the specification, I guess, was written up like years and years ago in the 90s, and this was around when COM was coming about, so they were whoever wrote this thing, it does not handle very well the concept of multiple clients. So yeah, basically where most audio devices have this concept of like, oh, my buffer is shared, it pretty much entirely depends on the company that you're using, whether the driver that they've made is multi-client or not.
Well, that's lovely.
Yeah.
I shall be right back for a quick toilet break, and then we'll keep playing.
Alex wants to say as a team, I'm Alex. That's an imposter. Darned imposters.
Woke up, no sun in a cold car outside town. Not one to run, but I can't just hang around. Clouds start to pop, broken white lines, green light. Can't slow, don't know where I'm stopping tonight. Lost the signal, but I found the way. No phone, alone on the highway. Lost the signal, but I found the way. Call me alive, alive today. Hot sun, top down in the fast lane, 1009. More miles to go, but I make it good time. I learn each turn.
Alright, I'm back. Hello.
Hello.
Oi.
What's this discussion about imposters?
There was the Alex that wanted to stay as a team, and I was like, I'm the only Alex.
Ah.
Bastard.
So we had a duplicate Fenrir and the second Alex.
Yeah.
By the way, I can actually see some very high latency in the master mixer right now. It's very hard to follow. It's on every channel though, which is good because it's consistent. But if I view current log and I search for buffering, 106. Oh, ugh. Adding 640 milliseconds of audio buffering. Source hero video, but that video doesn't have audio. So I might need to just delete the audio track on it. Because that added 640 milliseconds, so it's a total of 746. No wonder it's hard to follow. Oh, Echo, there was one point where I literally would add every wizard I ran into in Overwatch to my friends list. So my friends list contains Wizard Ace, Wizard Goat, Anol Wizard, Fifth Wizard, Swang Wizard, and TNT Wizard X. And, about 2 or 3 of them I added during the same session, so we all played some games together. It was great.
Traveling to Horizon Lunar Colony.
I will protect the innocent. I am the
I'm gonna
rocket
switch. Okay. It's not purple, it's pink, right?
It's the very bright magenta, let's say.
See, the fifth from the top to me looks pink.
It is more of a pink than a purple.
أهلا.
Oh, did it not take? Whoops.
ازيك؟
You might need to hit apply. Or save. I think save is the button that it shows.
أهلا.
No? No, I don't know.
Heal up.
Escape.
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 Attack. Select your hero.
I'm hoping I did that right. Well, it's like you have to wonder, like, because there's the different kinds of color blindness. So and then there's like different variations of like color sensitivity. So maybe it is actually more of a purple versus a pink. And yeah, I can't tell.
Ah.
I actually haven't done one of those colorblind tests before. I'm not
I've done many and have found no issues in terms of color.
I will protect the
Which is
Oh, wow,
nice.
that is way nicer in terms of contrast. Holy cow, that sticks out.
Let me show you how it's done.
Program sleep.
Red,
Commences in 30
red sticks out pretty well, isn't it?
Whether the what?
Red
What about
sticks out pretty
breadsticks?
well. Red, not bread, you number.
Oh. I was like, why are you talking about breadsticks? It's late on a Friday. Okay. No worries, Akko. It's quick play, we don't really care.
capture objective A.
Sonic might care if we're losing, but overall...
Hey,
Ow.
I require healing.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
Goodbye,
We
T.
got another good widow, I think.
System repaired.
buddy, every
Fair.
game today.
She hit me twice and only got me down to 4 health. So, really good, yes. Great, no. That Tracer's gonna be a pain, though. I can see it now. Oh. Oh no! She got me! We knew it was coming.
My team needs me.
Damn it. Brigida.
Healing enough.
In the back.
Hmm.
Oh, come on! Nope. I am not dying! I let the Ryan die though.
Oh! I don't think I can play Pharah against
Whoa.
this Widow.
This Widow's dead.
I
that
can't.
works.
I can't even counter snipe.
I'm back in the fight. Time to raise my APM.
Oh, I also only have 15 health.
That was so bad.
Enemy in my sight.
Hello.
Get through this.
Got the tracer.
Where did the Reaper go?
He went down with the big pack.
Okay. I
No!
Yes! I got the Reaper!
Oh my god, this Widow! Jesus!
What is armor?
Shot... Like, Widow shot me when Ryan dropped his shield.
Oh, you're kidding. Jeez.
Also, Ryan dropped his shield when I was standing right behind her in line of sight of the Widow, which is kind of BS. And Widow, leave me the fuck alone!
Time to be young to die.
Jesus Christ.
She got Echo instead. She heard you.
60 seconds remaining.
we were doing so well.
I don't know about that.
Well, for a minute there, we had to
God
three
damn
people on point.
Boy,
Why do I play healers?
Oh my god. No, Torbjorn.
bailing out.
By the way, that's 2 games where we've seen a Reaper, right? I think.
I haven't really been paying
30
attention.
seconds remaining.
As you have
Yeah, because this Reaper hurts my mech.
Get this done.
I feel a bit squishy.
See, I can't go out there because Ryan just runs in and I've got no shield. It'll just die immediately.
Yeah, and so Ryan dies too.
No!
There's not really much I can do. Wiz! Why did you leave me with the Reaper?
Sorry. We needed to get on the point so that we wouldn't lose it.
Ah, I didn't realize the time. My bad. You left me with the Reaper. That was just
I know. It was one of those split-second decisions where I knew I'd regret it either way.
That's alright.
I couldn't do anything. That was bad.
Yeah, that's the new Reaper skin on the left there.
Play of the game.
Yeah. I am not upvoting either of our teammates because they were both bad.
I did
Wow,
really bad.
that is absolutely fucking pathetic.
Epic.
Not
You
even
made the
3.5k
right decision.
fucking healing. Jesus. What the fuck am I doing with my life?
You want to know how bad I did? 252 damage. I didn't even get like a couple of shots in because every time I went out, it was either Widow or Reaper or Torbjorn or freaking Tracer on me.
It's just one of those games full of bullshit.
Yeah, which is why I pulled out of queue and I'm waiting a bit before re-queuing.
I mean, they probably would have done that to us anyway. This is Overwatch. You don't play game after game after game. It always kicks you back to the new.
Not always.
They have a really weird shader effect on the feathers on Reaper's hat.
There are some weird shadows on the main menu overall.
No, there's like a fog kind of smoke-ish effect on the feathers, which is pretty awkward looking. It doesn't.
Oh, they fade to shadow. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That is super weird. I mean, they fade to smoke, I guess, which is kind of his thing.
Well, that's kind of what I meant. Is it's weird that it's not. Well, I suppose they take a lot of shortcuts in this. They don't do.
Yeah,
like,
it's clearly a 2D.
Yeah.
2D texture that's just moving down. It also curves towards the back. So the feathers turn into like an S.
I can't quite. Hold on. I was looking at it in the main menu. That's why I noticed. Let me see. Do.
I still find Hanzo's beard amusing. It just looks fake as everything.
Huh. You don't really get to see like as much on the main menu. It just looked weird because you only really get a good look at the part where like it just immediately transitions. So it looks like it's just kind of like doing a bit of a weird. That looks better. At a distance, it looks better. Really, they would have to remodel that head because it's too sticky. That the part lower should be like more rope-like, so that the fog can move around. Fog. Smoke, whatever. Because it looks like it's just sticking to him. It looks like a feather cap that's just partially shaded.
I will protect the innocent.
To be honest, Echo, it's been too long. I really don't remember what you played.
30 seconds.
Time to kill.
I'm of the
Emphasis on the might. Yep.
I'm of the I like snipers, but I really hate McCree. Although he isn't a sniper, but pinpoint.
They have a widow and she hurts. He got through quick. Hi, buddy.
Yeah, he's got some movement. Okay. Damn.
Got the widow.
Widow got
Exactly.
McCree hurts too. Oh, hi, Hanzo. How you doing? He's dead. Nice one, Echo.
Good.
System repaired.
Now, hopefully, I can do more than 252 damage this game. That would be nice.
Soldier's going in on the right. I'll see if I can snag him.
Sorry.
Oh.
Oh no, Andasama. He killed you before I could get to him.
Ah, no, you go. Alright.
He ran across much faster than I was expecting. Oh, Widow's gonna kill me. And if she doesn't, the Zen will.
It didn't work out for me. I'm doing really bad. I've done.
Oh, soldier! No! I didn't agree to this! No!
Oh.
Back online.
My god. Why is it widows are so good? Every widow just absolutely
There's baby
unstopped
Diva
destruction.
just dueling with a McCree off to the side. She's actually not losing. I mean, she did lose now, but she was doing alright for a while.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
I'm not gonna try.
We're not gonna make it.
Objective lost. New defense point.
Nope.
Objective B.
What the? I had no chance.
Oh, they still have the widow. I thought they got rid of it.
Nope. They wouldn't be that kind to us. You know, all these snipers and long-range shooters.
There we go.
Surrender to my will. This is my will.
Oh, I found the widow. Let's go chase her. Hey, what?
Clearing the area.
Not ready.
Probably gonna lose this
Now.
because I'm bad.
No, I'm gonna die!
Where's... Ow.
Raptora
Come on.
systems online.
Get in there, Bob.
Nope. Oh.
Clearing the area. Thank you.
Oh, Widow was shooting me in the back. I don't like it.
76 has his ult, by the way.
Yep. It's alright. He's in a bad spot. Oh yeah. Nice hold. It's just the Ana pocketing the stupid Widow.
Very interesting pocket for a widow.
Yeah.
No. Whole lot of nope.
Yep. Especially from that Zen.
My god. I really hate Pharah.
Oh, that's where the Widow is. Oh!
Back in action.
Nothing's gonna stop. Pass into the iris.
I don't know what just happened.
Death. Death and destruction. But most importantly, victory.
Damn it, he got the health back.
I don't care that he got the health pack.
I do because I was by myself at the time.
It's okay. Ooh.
System repair.
No, she got me. Rude. Oh yeah. It shouldn't take me 3 shots to kill a McCree, but that's okay. Uh-oh. Oh no! Papa Jeff got me.
I almost killed Papa Jeff.
Oh god.
I am hiding.
Back into the fray.
Seconds remaining.
I'm hoping Bob keeps him distracted.
Yeah, it should.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
That is why I love my dynamite.
It's alright, I took out the Widow. My brother is not accepting my invitation to the group.
Whoa.
Rude.
What just happened?
Oh jeez, I'm so dead.
Apparently a monkey can out damage Lucio healing and that upsets me.
Huh.
I was actually unaware that monkey could out damage Lucio healing.
It usually doesn't. At least not in my experience.
I mean, it is only Lucio. He doesn't really heal much.
Damn it.
That's not how the shotgun works. Someone doesn't make you go forward.
I left shift by accident.
We did it!
Yay, victory!
Yay.
Lucio was fun.
I did more than 200 damage this time.
Yay. Yay!
You just keep playing the game, hey?
This is what, my second?
I don't know.
That was a nice round.
Wait for it.
And cute. She even nanoed to try and keep the bloody thingy alive.
It's funny because she didn't nano the McCree who was ulting.
I wouldn't be surprised if that's who she was trying to nano, but bloody Zenyatta floated his robot ass in front of her.
Hmm. It's a possibility. Okay, let's upvote Short Buddy and...
Alright, I'm gonna bail for a bit, I'm hungry.
No worries. Enjoy. What's interesting is last year the waistband on most of the hero skins was identical, whereas this year most of them are very different.
Hmm.
But yeah, Hanzo's beard still looks weird.
Traveling to the right.
Do.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Hey, who's this? Who this? Was that your brother?
Yeah.
Ah.
He was finally allowed to return to his desk. Oh, my main display just flickered.
Oh no.
Not the first time it's happened,
The innocent.
but at least it didn't disconnect the game, because that's what I was worried about.
There we go.
Attack commences in 30 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Attack commences.
Got the payload and I'm moving out.
Let's do this.
Give up time.
It's another freaking sniper.
Oh. Oh no.
I have 14 health, 0.
Oh, we have a gold ash. That's yep. It's gonna turn out well.
Well, to be fair, I am less than 100 levels away from gold. So... doesn't mean much. Oh, jeez. Oh. I will have to switch off, fire if this continues to go downhill.
Oh. Oh, I'm dead.
Back in action.
Ow. That got me down to 16 health. Oh, jeez. I don't agree to this.
Moving the payload. Falling behind.
Oh, there's lasers.
Yeah. Usually when there's a Symmetra, there's lasers and they hurt. Oh!
Damn it, I did it again. I keep left shifting because my gut instinct is the left shift like M76.
Ah, to sprint away.
Well, to sprint into action in this case.
Oh, so you're not running away?
No.
Okay, good to know.
I just spawned.
Oh, and because you're Ash, it throws you backwards. That's funny.
Yeah. So it's like the exact opposite of what I want.
Clearing the area.
Oh, I got it down to like no health. Oh, regrets. I shouldn't have ulted. I didn't realize the sim turret was there. I was hoping that the payload would at least heal me enough to save me for a bit, but no. That's not how the story ends.
You know what?
No, I'd regrets again.
Back in my day, we'd have this
Void of Vision, hi there. My chat seems to have frozen on my other screen. I only saw your message because, how do I refresh? Because of the on-screen chat. Thanks. How's your Friday going?
Reinhardt does that.
Ow. Not what I meant to do. It's one way. I was expecting deadly sim turrets. I'm glad that's not what we ran into. Ah. Ow. Fire hurts! Baby Diva shot me.
Damn it.
That's good. Enjoying the weather? It was 47 today in Melbourne. It's very nice.
No. Why? Damn it.
I know, right?
Turrets. Ah.
Raptora systems online.
No, no, no. I hate her turrets.
10 seconds. Time is running out. Press the attack.
Just contest it for as long as you can. No.
Oh,
no.
Right as I got ult.
Oh, I tried. I tried to get back on it. No, that's not gonna happen.
Play of the game.
Let's see how your skills have developed, Echo. Not bad. Oh, that's awesome, Void of Vision. That's always fun. Some of my best friends are or were streamers in the past. We're all in this together.
I see you chatting about code.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's some weird behavior for sure. I don't like it.
For what?
So,
browser stuff?
the Twitch dashboard is rolling out the ability to pop out individual panels. And something Jim wants to do is to pop out the live stats so you can see your viewer count and stuff. But for some reason, if you go directly to the... So if you click the pop-out button, it opens a new window with a specific URL. Well, actually, it goes to about blank first and then loads the URL. Now, the URL that shows, if you copy that URL and open it in a new tab, it doesn't work. It just redirects you straight to the Twitch dashboard. Meaning, it's useless if you just pop it into, for example, OBS to load in a panel.
There might be a way around that.
Yes, and that is what I will look at after stream. My guess is that it's either a post request rather than a get request, or it might be the referrer, which is a little harder to fake.
Oh, I hate web stuff. I would. It could also be a front end thing.
Yeah. So the other possibility is that the pop-out button in the dashboard opens a pop-up that is about blank, or just its own, like, JavaScript thing. The JavaScript then renders the contents of the pop-up and sets the URL without actually navigating to it, which is how single-page applications work.
That would be really... That'd be really frustrating.
Yeah, Echo, these days, a bat file is old-fashioned, let's say. But actually, funny story, at work, I've started using Tmux for API development. Normally I do UI, but sometimes I'm like, I've run out of UI things to do, I might fix a couple bugs in a couple APIs, right? And we have 7 APIs plus an API gateway that does all the routing to each of the individual APIs. So I've set up Tmux with Tmux P, which is a window manager. And that loads via a bat file, which I've mapped to Control-Alt/, because you can... if you go to the shortcut tab of a shortcut file in Windows, it actually has a, like, key combination box. And it works across the whole system. I was hoping to help knock out Brigitte off the map. But she's dead anyway, I'll take it. Where's the Widow? Oh, where's the Farah? Okay. Everyone else is killing everyone. Oh, I was hoping I'd get that Farah. Really? I have a few people that I've run into many times in this game. Yeah, that's how it goes.
Push Brigitte off.
Systems at max.
Can we kill this Lucio? Oh, he's dead. Nice.
Oh.
Okay, so it's not a faked URL. Good to know. Oh. I'll take it.
Hit the fastest moving character with the slowest moving ult.
Needs me. Move back.
My right nostril is itchy, and I don't know what to do about it. Nice. I guess that's one way to win the point.
That was very nice. Ow.
Score 1-0.
That Pharaoh doesn't like me.
Time to accelerate.
So here's the other question. If I refresh it... Okay, so I bet...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's not even the right pop-up. I'll check it out later.
Get back.
I did not mean to explode dynamite without anybody there. Oh, wow.
The objective is now
That was lots of damage. That's a lot of damage. Oh, I tried. Tried to survive.
Now, Genji's probably gonna kill me, and if it's not Genji, it's gonna be Zarya. Hi, Susanu2K, how are you doing?
Raptora systems online.
God damn it.
Hope your Friday's going well.
Oh. Oh, here's a question.
Mm-hmm.
Is the browser widget
In this kind of weather, I'm
we
not
can
surprised.
get to a point where people can just add their own?
So, I asked that already, and Dodgepong says we won't be able to do it in the first version, but it's definitely something we need to be able to do, because, for example, some people, like myself, might use Restream Chat instead of Twitch Chat, or some people might want their alerts list. In my case, I use Muxy, so I'd want to be able to put that in, even though I, you know, am using the Twitch OAuth thing. Or there might be people who continue to use a stream key and just want their own chat for their own service, you know.
I meant more just custom URL, not like their own browser, but
Yeah, custom URL in a browser panel.
because if that isn't a thing already, I would happily.
It's not, and you're welcome to try it, because actually this morning Jim said that he's almost done with the service integration branch. He's hoping to finish it when he wakes up.
Sorry.
So it's worth a shot. Hi Brigitte, how you doing?
Not well.
Yeah, seems that way.
Oh shit.
System repair. From above.
Woo. Dylan's experimenting at the moment with the weird pop-out panel, but I actually think it might be tied to the dashboard page window, because when you pop out the window, the existing little panel turns out into a, you know, pop back in button, and if you close the window, it restores the button, restores the pop-up in the actual dashboard rather than you having to manually restore it. So there's definitely a link between the two, and I bet that's what's causing it. I got the May.
I could not hit that May. I was just bad.
I will not fail again. Clearing the area.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Rip team.
Uh-oh.
We don't got this. Oh! So then the question becomes, if I close the dashboard page and refresh this, it still works. So it's not directly tied to the... Request headers include the cookie, which is what I was expecting. I wonder if it's because it has the cookie.
Well, if it's just the cookie, you can...
Yeah, we just need to figure out, yeah, because it has the login cookie. So I bet that's what it is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Although, what you could also do is load up a page and write a script to nuke everything but the view count. That would be another way.
Yeah, that's one way to do it. The only issue with that method is that if they then change the structure in any way, or if the class names are dynamic or any of the above, right, then either our code has to be downloaded every time you load the page. Therefore, what we'd have to do is that script would have to run on a server that we control so that we can update it as Twitch updates their stuff. And on top of that, we don't know how Twitch roll out their new code for the dashboard, whether it's person by person or, you know, region by region or everyone at once.
Oh crap.
So we wouldn't know what script to run to figure out how to hide everything but the count. We could do a string search for viewers and then a number somewhere near that HTML structure, but that seems messy.
Well, no, you can, wow, I am, there we go.
Oh, thank God. I misspelt header.
I am bad.
The Brigida tried to sneak behind us. I was watching you.
Check this out.
Kill the Genji before he ults. There we go.
Woo! Systems at max.
Oh no. Oh no. Ah! I saw her animation for the ult where she threw it and then like nothing happened for a second. And I was like,
Oh jeez.
what's going on?
There's the Genji ult. Oh no! He got me.
Oh, I can't. Why you bully me?
I will not fail again. Get back.
I don't know why I bothered to rush in.
Clearing the area.
No.
Hello.
all I need.
Back in action.
Alright, yeah.
Well, usually there's, I mean, you're a web developer.
I am. I will research this after.
Ah, damn.
Play of the game.
Rally to me!
I apparently was in all caps.
Over there. Taking heavy fire. You might want to.
All caps is just fine.
Mace to the face.
Welcome to Rialto.
If Jim's almost done with the service integration thing.
Yeah, he's gonna push what he's got soon. He's finished Mixer. He wants to finish YouTube before he pushes it, because he believes he'll be able to get.
Well, if that's the case, then I really ought to be doing, because I was doing a bunch of stylistic things earlier for caffeine, because they wanted that, but I should probably now switch my focus to service integration. There is a post. Post.
Select your hero.
Oh no! What do I play? I think I accidentally closed Chrome, by the way. Yeah, I did.
Because the thing with the I was looking at the widget. I'm pretty certain when I was looking at it for the Twitch thing, Jim's service Twitch thing, that it was pretty much just like a URL that the thing spins up with. So a little dialogue prompt for a URL, and that should be it.
That's my assumption too. Yeah.
I mean, there's an element of, for certain things which need.
Well, the thing is, we don't currently very dynamically handle the docs stuff in the view menu. So it would have to dynamically add and remove itself from there when needed. Oh jeez, Diva goes down fast. That was brutal. Hi May, how you doing? Bye May. You're dead now. My mouse sensitivity doesn't feel right.
Where are you? There you are.
Thank you for your contributions.
Oh.
You seem in need.
No.
Oh. Nope. Ah.
See, this is what happens when I don't have time to research this. I would have already knocked it out and nobody would be discussing this. Because I literally do this for a living.
Allow me to repair the damage. Repairing the damage. Surrender to my will.
Oh my god.
A touch from a
That hurt.
Yet another good widow. Nobody saw that.
This will restore you.
Yeah, nobody saw that.
Oh, there's a bastion up there. Not anymore, jeez! Oh, I'm gonna die.
Tell me how this feels.
Yep.
Get into position. I'm restoring.
I kind of forgot Bastion got hurt by the armor thing as well.
Yeah. Every hero that had armor did.
Yeah, I kind of forgot the Bastion had armor. Okay.
Ah. Yeah, that'll do it. Ooh, snap. Right?
You seem in need of aid.
Oh god. There's an Ash up the stairs. Beware.
Damn it.
Oh god! I don't have escape! I have escape. I'm good.
Allow me. This will heal you.
Yeah, after this, you do the post thing. I'll look at the witch itself. Oh my god! Really? I just walked right into 2 missiles. That was neat. That's how to round a corner. I am so helpful. I am much help.
Oh! My brother ran around the corner while I was trying to heal him. Damn it. Could have kept you alive.
Oh, shoot.
That changes.
No! I almost had her.
Allow me to repair the damage.
These far olds, right? That wasn't even an ult. That hurt. Punish Brigida. She has a lot of armor. I don't like this. Oh no! I heard it about to go off behind me. And I didn't react in time.
Nope, 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 nope.
When faced with a setback, we must challenge our assumptions. Get into position. Go to it like
I think we annoyed your brother a bit. He left the voice channel.
it appears we have suffered a minor setback. This will heal you. Surrender to my will. Help me.
Oh jeez.
Use the thing as cover.
Oh god. Oh god, I'm so dead.
Oh. No.
I'm not dead yet.
Diva online.
repair the damage.
Jim apologized and now I feel bad. I just didn't want them wasting their time.
We must all make sacrifices in the name of science.
I have my ults.
My ultimate is ready.
Oh!
My ultimate is charging.
Oh!
Get
Okay.
into position. Going to the Geshu. I'm under attack. Oi, tipper than ya. Surrender to my will. This will improve your condition. Rest assured.
Oh, that got popping off.
That's one way to do it.
There we go. That should not have been that hard.
Wow.
Do I have Postman installed? Yes, I do. Okay.
Are you really playing double duty right now?
I have to.
Like, it has to be a cookie. It couldn't be anything else.
Yeah, no, it has to be a cookie that's being sent in the header.
The only trick is.
Well,
that
actually,
the
can I do it as
person
fet?
has to. If it requires the person to be in, like, logged in, that would be a problem. Or no, maybe it doesn't. If the service integration thing's good.
Copy as curl and then paste.
Hey, it's Anton in the chat. Hello, Anton. I'm assuming from the Discord.
Anton where?
And I'm assuming the guy who said Anton is Anton, the guy who oh, I can't remember what he sent in. He might have been the one who did the VST thing. I think it might have been Anton who did the VST thing. Let me search.
What does this page contain?
Yeah, it was Anton.
Okay, so I sent 10 headers. The response contained 23 headers and a server session ID cookie. But I'm not seeing a preview.
Now arriving at Ilios. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Because it would have to run some JavaScript to actually perform an action. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to copy as that. Because that would be JavaScript. And then all I have to do is open an about blank. Paste it into the console.
The innocent.
Yeah, cross-origin is going to be a problem. I need to disable cause. Can I do that from here? No, I don't have the extension installed.
Isn't it fun, Cores? Ain't it just lovely?
4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1. Capture the objective.
Get back.
Oh. Okay, failed to fetch. It doesn't pass control checks. The value header
hello.
in the response must not be wildcard. Ah. So I can't do that. That's problematic.
The objective is now
Clearing the area.
Oh! Oh no! I got
No! Go away! No!
My team needs me.
Wow.
Oh,
they
did
are
I copy all this
being
fetch?
aggressive.
Is that the mistake I made? Yeah. Oh, interesting. Options for pop-out Wizard CM Dashboard Live stats return to 404. With cause enabled. And... This may be messy.
Get back.
You know, how much do you want to bet that someone could just ask Twitch to be like, can you put this on its own?
Yeah, but do we even have any contacts at Twitch? It's not like they've updated any of the OBS guides that are completely wrong. Or correctly use the name of OBS. Oh, I missed the third shot.
Rains from above. Stun.
Like, if we could contact Twitch, there would be a lot of things we'd say.
Oh god.
Oh,
I'm
jeez.
streaming to your platform. Could you please make it easier for us to do cool things?
Yeah.
You know,
I
at
will
a
not
certain
fail
point, with how the
Clearing the area.
with how Slobs is, it's gonna be like zero competition. Because the only thing they've got is
Well, most people say, like, okay, so if we were to mention the 3 reasons why people switch, is one is the browser panels with chat, so that's coming. 2 would be they think the interface is easier, which I don't know what that means. And 3 is the easy easy overlays, because people are lazy, right? They have a library of free overlays that all look generic, and anyone can just make their stream look a lot better with a very easy thing, right? Those are the 3 reasons people switch. Or actually, no, sorry, the 4th, because they think OBS Studio has something broken, and based on their experience, Slobs fixes whatever issue that may be. Now, usually that's a crash caused by a third-party plugin, and if we had a way to expose that properly to users, that would also solve a lot of problems.
nice Farah ult. Holy cow.
It just wasn't enough.
Oh no! Oh, we have nobody there.
No, everyone died. Okay, so it can't be a fetch request. It has to be the initial get request, and then the JavaScript loads the rest of it.
Which means you're kind of boned, maybe.
Probably. Because the initial... You know what? There is a WebSocket call in here as well. But that's later. And there's a service worker.
Well, I bet there would be a pretty simple way of hacking around and getting it so that the viewer count is the only thing that you view.
Yeah, but I don't want to hack it around.
Oh. Like, the main issue is that the dashboard is one of those, like, front-end based things. So, like, if there was a...
Yeah, I just don't get why they made it this complicated to load the panels without loading it directly. Because, like, the options call should not be sending a 404.
Right. Like, why is it behind so much stuff that's, like, front-end based? Like, it doesn't need to be any of that.
Because that's, how web developers of today do things. It's stupid. I hate it. Yeah, so at the very least, I'm able to get a response that contains some portion of the data we need. It just doesn't initialize itself visually in a way that I can test that my theory is correct. So what I actually, you know what I'll do is I'll get a Chrome extension that is a header override. And I'll see what happens if I don't send the cookie header. Because all we'd have to do is set it to always send that header, and we'd be fine. Oh, that was stupid of me.
Online.
They're really keeping us away from the point, huh?
Yeah.
I can feel everything shooting at me at once. Not fair.
It's just like... Oh my god, they're all the way up here.
Back in action.
We're not close enough. Maybe Diva. Maybe Diva. Diva, run! No! Oh, she made it.
Yes, but for how long? Okay, this is promising.
Oh god. Hold it up!
Piss off, Winston! I need to stay alive for this! Oh! Okay.
Holy cow.
Raptora systems online.
Skin of the teeth.
Healing enough.
Ah!
Okay.
Hammond.
Okay, I have found a way to bypass it. You load the dashboard page first, and then just do a window.location and point it to the stats pop-up, and that works.
Weird.
So that's one way.
Well, I mean, that's the... Crap.
I just need to figure out how long we have to wait for the initial dashboard page to load before we try and load a pop-up. Bye, Brigida. I feel bad, but we need the victory. At least she found it funny, you know?
Oh, no. He put up shields. I was gonna push them into the hole and also explode them, and everything went wrong.
Raptora systems online.
That's GG. GG. Oof.
Play of the game.
Weird that window location works.
Yes, because it even gets weirder because refreshing after that still works too. So next, who got play of the game there? By the way, I wasn't watching.
Oh, it was Hog.
Ah, okay, sounds about right.
Yep.
I'm gonna quickly open this loot box, and then I have another thing I want to quickly check. Network. That. So the header it sends is cookie. What happens if I override cookie with an empty header? Okay.
I have no idea what's going on. Sorry, Sonic.
Oh.
To the moon and to the moon and back.
It's very weird that window location works.
Yeah, because isn't window location just usually just the address in the title bar? Like,
yes,
it doesn't
but
usually have
the important, I think the important part is that the referrer retains the previous URL being the dashboard, and so it goes, you've come from the dashboard to this page, and I bet if I were to just load the dashboard and then okay, so if I just paste the URL in, it doesn't work. What's up? Yeah. What's up?
Now traveling to Busan.
Is there a good way of faking? I mean, there is a way of faking referrals, right?
Yes, but I don't know if it's referral specifically that causes it to load the right page. And that's very hard to fake in Chrome especially, because it goes, no, I'm a browser, I'm not allowed to fake this stuff.
Hmm.
Okay, so I overrode the cookie, and that didn't fix it. Now to override the referrer. Alright, how do I add one more here? Request header.
I remember ages ago when I did web development, how many bots would like overwrite their referrers to just fill you with junk.
Host? Okay. That okay, don't override the host header because that gives you a 400. Meaning invalid request. Okay, so don't override host. I wonder if it's because I'm overriding both host and referrer though. Oh, Reaper's gonna kill me! He's targeting me hard. Oh, where did McCree come from?
There we go.
Okay, now it's just the Reaper, please!
There we go. No. No.
Okay, so I can't safely override the host header. Gotcha.
Yeah, I would imagine you can't. Because I think the host header is where you
But then it can't be a header. Because I am not sending...
No.
It's hot.
Is that just some JavaScript variable? Oh man, I feel so bad for Jim. Learning JavaScript like this.
Yeah, and JavaScript is all over the place. So... Like, that one's a really good example. If you set the variable window location, it redirects you. But if you just read the variable, it's actually an object that contains a bunch of other crap in it.
Well, there's another one which you can mess with, but it only switches out the title bar or the address bar stuff.
Yes, and that's how single page applications like, for example, React do things. You never actually reload the page, and actually Twitch and YouTube do this too. You never actually reload the page, you actually just run a different function in the JavaScript which renders a different portion of the page and sets the URL to something, you know, something else. And it pretends to be a page redirect, but there's actually, if you look at the tab itself, you don't see a loading icon, which you would normally see if you were navigating from one address to another.
Oh. No, 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 no!
We got this. It's 99-0 and McCree's dead. It's...
There has to be some sort of other way. I don't think that'll work. Well, he has injectable JavaScript in
yes.
stuff. So it like any JavaScript based solution you have should work.
BTTV, and what's the other one?
FFZ?
FFZ.
I don't use those things. Ow.
Clearing the area.
The objective's mine.
Oh, I'm gonna hide behind this pole. We have a Reaper off going on over here. Oh. I'd be dead.
I was able to get the Reaper, but frickin' Ash and Sombra got me.
Back into the fray.
Nope, nope.
Move back.
The objective's
Oh, we have a Bastion in the corner.
Oh god, he's gonna kill me before I kill him. Damn guy can heal too fast. Yeah! I'll take it. The question becomes, do we have to wait for the page to finish loading to redirect, or is just attempting to load the base dashboard enough for it to go, oh, you're coming from a Twitch page, we can do the rest for you. And if that's the case, does it have to be from the Twitch page, from the dashboard, or can it just be from a 404 page, meaning we load less?
Like, you can intentionally pick a URL that shouldn't have much on it.
Yeah, and that can load very quickly.
Oh.
Void of Vision, it's something that I'd like to do eventually, for sure.
Ow, 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 ow.
But it's always a challenge because you don't know who you're gonna get
I used my
until they're in. And I've seen Twitch streams of my friends where they invite, you know, viewers or subs, and it ends up being really awkward because you've got this one person that's like, you know, 12 years old talking about things that aren't relevant to anything at all and constantly interrupting the streamer, and it's like... And you'd feel bad kicking them out, so... But if you haven't already, you're welcome to join the Discord and just ping me whenever you want to play something like Overwatch. And I'll happily play. Especially over this weekend. I'm not sure, but I might be able to stream a bit of Anthem over the weekend. And if I don't, I will likely be streaming this.
Clearing the area.
Not to mention, Monday's a public holiday. I look wider than I did at the start of stream. What happened? Woo! Nice!
Play of the game.
Does Twitch have a dedicated 404 page you can...
I would... I don't know. I'd probably just type a really long gibberish address. No worries, Echo. Thanks for joining us. Yeah, fingers crossed, honestly, because BioWare has not been very lucky lately. And I haven't watched a lot of stuff on Anthem, because on one hand, I just don't want to spoil it, and on the other hand, I don't want to get too excited about it, just in case it is bad. Yeah, definitely, Echo. Join us anytime. Oh, Sonic's getting bored. I might play a couple more games and then research more into breaking this. Like, if I'm... Maybe it's something in local storage, but then that wouldn't make sense. Because why would it be giving me a 404? Application. Notifications dismissed. Twitch cache layout. Is social column closed by user action? Chat settings, chat rules. Twilight dashboard live config. That's just the expand collapse.
I'm actually going to play around with this now.
So, yeah, navigate to the dashboard page. Oh. Test it from a 404 page, and actually, I'll just do that myself. Twitch.tv/blur. Okay, I like how, even if a channel doesn't exist, it tries to load the video player first anyway, before it determines, hey, that page isn't a thing.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's silly.
Okay, so if it doesn't come from the dashboard, it doesn't work.
Just at all? Okay.
It
So
then just redirects you to the dashboard, so the origin has to be the dashboard.
Okay. And...
Traveling to Hanamura.
Stats pop out.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Yeah, there's some weird behaviors. Page isn't a thing.
Ah! That's what I get for being distracted. Who should I play? I'll go my main.
Yeah. Let's just crop that out.
I will protect the innocent.
The problem with being able to ban people on any service is that Restream chat doesn't listen to bans, so the chat continues to contain that message.
Attack commences in 30
Hello.
seconds.
All systems operational. Diva, ready for combat.
You're right,
It's weird, isn't it?
It is weird. It is really weird. Live stats. Dashboard. Live. The /live is different. That's new. It used to be /dashboard also.
It's /popout/your username /dashboard/live/stats, which is a very lengthy.
Dashboard gets you to dashboard. Dashboard/live also apparently gets you to dashboard. So there's definitely some wonky routing there.
Yeah.
So live has nothing to do with it.
Well, then the other question becomes, does it behave differently if you are live, right? So that's something I'll be testing when I'm no longer live. And if that's the case, then I'll probably have to stream to a dummy account while testing, you know?
I'm pretty sure it behaves the same way. Hey. That's one way to do it.
I know, Void Division. 10 years since Minecraft's release.
Really?
Yep.
That's nuts. Oh, I'm dead.
Doesn't feel like 10 years. And I still own a Minecraft server, so that part hasn't changed. I would have been in year 9 at the time. Because it was 2009.
That makes me feel really old. That makes me feel really old. You know what? You know what makes me feel really old? People speedrun Zelda Ocarina of Time. That makes me feel old.
Hmm. Okay, so it's not a header. So it has to be either a cookie... It either has to be a local cookie, like an API token. Nope, it's not the API token. What if I just delete... I don't want to delete the cookies. And I don't want to delete my local storage. Don't know what this could be.
Well,
I wasn't worried, just surprised. Thought I'd get to shoot stuff for longer.
That match was really quick.
It was a minute and a half at most.
Jeez.
Now we get to defend.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Because the other headers it sends are accept encoding, accept language.
It can't be cookies, because if it were cookies, there's cookies on the domain, right?
True.
So if it were cookies on the domain, right?
Yeah. And it does set the cookies in the response headers. So it has a set cookie, unique ID expires. What else is in here? Same site, LAX. But like, the headers don't contain anything special. Would it be the... It can't be the user agent, it can't be the host, it can't be the keep alive connection, and it can't be the cache control. So what the hell is it? Oh, really, Void Division? Borderlands?
Is there
Modern
anything
Warfare
else
2, Left 4 Dead 2, and Assassin's Creed 2.
It's specifically from the dashboard that it seems to take it. So
Yeah.
is there anywhere else where the dashboard URL is being kept?
No, but I bet you know what I think it is? Their code is checking that the previous URL was Because you can look at window location history.
Oh, you can?
As far as I know. Which is why I think it works if you window location it. Because that persists.
That's a little disturbing.
This game's a joke. No kidding.
Thanks for the assist. I'm not done yet.
Thank you. Ah. Why is it so hard to shoot the thing with the coach gun? Why? Oh.
No, Mercy, you can't survive this. I'm too bad of a shot. No. Oh no, and now Anna's helping them.
This is ridiculous.
Yes. Void Division, Assassin's Creed 2 was the first one I was able to finish. The first Assassin's Creed game, it was, I don't know if it was the pacing or the tone or just the story, but it was boring. Oh yeah, that's awesome, Void Division. Sea of Thieves is also half price right now. So normally $100 here, now 50. Normally, what, 80 in the US, so it's $40. Oh, Mercy's still here.
Yep. Healing.
It's alright, I took her out.
Our friendly neighborhood Winston.
Yeah.
No, jeez. No.
Special attack.
Where is he? What? Oh no! The shield dropped.
Jim says injecting the code doesn't work. Which, the only thing I can think of is that the dashboard URL isn't in window location yet.
Oh, did he just run it immediately? Yeah, that won't work.
That's my thinking too. I told him he might have to wait for the window load event when it's done, but he says not gonna happen.
Well, he doesn't know how easy that is.
No, he probably just doesn't want to do it because it's hacky. But unfortunately, I don't know if we have another option. Ah. I told him make sure the URL has his username, not mine. And he goes, it does. Wait, let me try again. That's 100% something I would have done. Yes, Void Division. So, here's the thing. I can actually show it on stream safely. I'll just pull us out of queue. So... probably because I died so many times, Hazak Star. Alright. So, this is the Twitch dashboard. Right? And this panel here contains viewer count, which I can hide, right? And all of these stats. Now, there's a new pop-out button here. This is where, Andasama, your mouse zoom thing would be really handy.
Oh.
So there's a pop-out button here.
You could run the nightly and it would work.
Yeah, but F it. When you click it, it opens this window, which is just what was in that pop-out, in its own thing. Now, if I grab this URL, and I open it in a new tab, it will simply go to my dashboard, which is not what we want, right? The idea here, the idea and the purpose of this is OBS. This is the program I use to stream. And let me just hide my preview here, right? But the idea is that just like I have these panels along the side, I'd want one that shows my current viewer count, my current uptime, my current number of followers, right? Here's the weird behavior that we're trying to figure out. If you're already on the dashboard, right? And then you run window.location. Hang on, I might be able to make this a little easier to read here. You can
probably console that. Yeah.
Yeah, if I do window.location equals to Twitch TV /popout /wizardcm /dashboard /live /stats, which is the pop-out. And I'm just gonna, whoops. Magnifier is very hard to work with. But if I move these dev tools out of the way, and all I do is I hit enter on window.location, you will actually see that this page up here correctly navigates to that. Now, originally, I was thinking maybe it's a header. And if we look at the network requests, what I've done here is I'm actually killing the cookie and the referrer header, because both of those were pretty full of things that it was sending. Now, all we're sending is the basic headers that you would need to be able to make the request, right? For example, I tried killing the host header, and that completely killed the page, right? There's nothing...
Pop-out work? That's a question.
Nothing else in here is specific, right? If I were to look at my cookies or my...
How funny would that be? No. Yeah, it's a weird front end URL.
It's a weird URL, but I think it's because, and let's see if I can actually pull this up. We're going to clear this out. Window.location. Right? Window.location contains nothing specific that mentions the previous page. But was it window.history? Window.history contains a length. But it doesn't contain... I don't think there is a way to request what the previous URL was. Huh. Setting window location causes it to endlessly reload for Jim. Let me turn off... do I still have cores running here?
Setting window location causes it.
No, it can't check the previous URL because window.history doesn't give you that information. Yeah, Jim's probably right. It's really weird. And it somehow knows that we're coming from the dashboard. Because if we go to, say, the 404 page or the home page and do the window location trick as well, it just takes you to the dashboard, not to the panel.
What is this thing anyway? I forget what Twitch uses the front end.
I could probably tell you. Let me quickly close magnifier here.
Because it could be, if it's something to do with like a weird front end pop out thing, they might have something built in.
No, it's definitely using React.
It's definitely using React. Okay.
So this is the React DevTools that I'm showing on screen now. It's very similar to the Elements panel, but if you're looking at a non-production...
It's endlessly... Well, he probably added this script to the main page. You're only supposed to execute it once, Jim.
Well, but... Tim, that's what I thought. But I'm killing the referrer header. I am not sending a referrer header, and it still loads this page. I don't think it's possible to get it.
Oh.
Oh, document.referrer. Aha.
No reload is true. That's interesting. I didn't see that as part of the query.
Okay, then, here's an idea. What if we...
Go from here. That was weird. What if you... Hold on. Hold on. What if you remove the live? What if the live is a lie? What if live... Oh, look at that.
Sorry, unless you've got a time machine, that content isn't available.
Yeah. Well, there's your 404.
True.
There's your 404.
So, alright, how would I override document.referrer if it's part of the document and not part of the window?
Oh, I got a similar error from live stats, dashboard live stats this time. Interesting.
Interesting. So document referrer doesn't, as in, are you testing it or reading?
Hold on.
Because here's the... I'm just trying to think. If I... Say I go to Google, actually. Let's do it this way. And then I... Is there a thing to... I'd have to hit F... application. No, what am I thinking?
What if you go from live to stats? Weird. Okay, so doing the thing without the reload doesn't work.
Correct.
You might have said that earlier.
I wonder if I can... Correct, Tim. That's the behavior we're trying to override. I'm wondering if we can inject the referrer before the page finishes loading in a way where it reads it. Like, when is it reading it? Is it reading it before any other code can be initialized? Or is it reading it after a bit of time, giving us the opportunity to do it the moment the page loads. Then their JavaScript will run normally and read the referrer as being... What am I looking for? Network?
I wonder. I feel like
Sources.
window location is that thing.
F8.
I feel like window location is the thing where you change it and it doesn't redirect you. I think they might have
Correct.
code, which is. I think they might have code that's reading window location, and so when it changes, they probably have a thing where if it changes to.
Okay,
to
we
swap
have...
out the
Hang on,
content.
we have the debugger paused. Oh, cool, they use Webpack as well. We have it paused on the initial page load. Here's what we're going to do. Document referrer at this moment is blank.
Document refer. Up.
No,
Yeah,
you can't set it.
Document refer on the new page is the last one.
Yeah, okay, so if I overrode the... Oh no, that's the wrong URL, that's why. I'm an idiot.
How do you mess with the document refer?
I don't know if you can. I need /live/stats, it's your fault. Okay, I've frozen it. Nope, I didn't freeze it. What?
Refer property contains the returns the URL of the document that loaded the current document.
But you
So
can't
it's-
set it?
I don't think you can. So I think this is that web page waiting on. Yeah, that's what it has to be. There's no other way.
I am not used to sources being all the way over there.
I don't know how you.
Can we black box this? I forgot how to black box a script.
How to.
Hang on. Can I black box an extension? Is really the question I'm asking.
No idea.
Because this is... What are you? Oh, JSON scheme is in here. That's cool. Aha! There you go. He had it so it executed the script every time it reloaded. So it would endlessly reload. It does appear to work after doing that, so seems we may have a win. Oh, thank God that works! Okay. Yeah, I'll...
Well, at least we have some idea of how it works. I don't know how document refer gets set. If that's just...
Yeah, we need to... I need to learn how to write watch expressions in the Chrome DevTools. And what I'll do is I'll try and do a watch for the previous dashboard URL. And see if I can figure out how it's determining...
It's definitely document refer, because document refer got changed to the previous URL.
Yeah, Tim's suggesting the web request extension, which I will have to take a look at.
Changes document. I wonder if it's part of changing window location.
Hmm. Alright, we shall
Like you
continue.
said-
In the meantime. Switching between my display capture and my game capture is almost seamless, except there's a few pixels horizontally apart.
Document refer will point to the page which linked to the current page inside the iframe.
Yeah, which is within the window, right? Or which is from document to document specifically.
Yeah, so I don't know that you can override that. That might just be that's probably one of the
Okay, here's Jim's next question.
I will protect the innocent.
how
to set dark theme because dark pop out isn't a thing. On the dashboard.
Oh, that is there's a cookie, I think, for that one.
Yeah, there is a cookie for that one. Let me quickly check. Yeah.
Really? Oh, here we go.
But remember the reason we started using dark pop out on the chat was because reading that cookie didn't work because the moment you authenticated, it would send you fresh cookies. So you have to actually set it on the user's thing or repeatedly replace the cookie so that at the moment where it tries to read the cookie, it is at the dark mode stage. Okay, Tim, I'll definitely look into that. But it'll be after stream because I definitely want to continue playing Overwatch. I'm going to copy the message you sent though.
I feel so bad for Jim. I knew the moment when he's like, it just infinitely reloads. Was like he bounced at the wrong.
I 100% expected it to be that too, because it's such an easy mistake to make, and I've done it 100 times before. Because JavaScript is very picky. Oh my god, that was brilliant! I am F9ing that. Watching the replay was beautiful.
I'm escorting the payload. Let's keep it moving.
Yeah. So Tim, yeah, the next challenge would be trying to set dark theme. Because that at least fixes it for now. I will research it further. Because I feel like we're on the right track. Overriding referrer or at least telling it not to... or at least trying to make it believe it came from somewhere else.
If you just change document referrer, does that actually do it?
Well, the problem with document referrer is it's part of the document, and the document doesn't exist until the page has started loading. So I don't know if we'd be able... and as far as I know, you can't set document referrer. Because when I tried setting it, it simply remained what it was before. So it could be a read-only variable. The thing is, it doesn't warn you that it's a constant. Which I guess makes sense. Because it would have existed before constants, because constants are ES6. Ah! Come on. Farah v Farah, you can... Oh, okay. Fine.
Raptora systems online.
I'm just sad that it's front-end nonsense.
Hey, that's why you've got me. That's why I do this for a living, because I find it fun. Other people may not, but that's okay. Where did Junkrat go? Why is he still shooting me when there's a Reaper up his butt?
Oh!
Tim, you're welcome to play around with it if you like, and if you find something, let me know. I should not have gone there. This is the problem when I play Overwatch, especially in competitive. I make stupid mistakes that I know are a bad idea as I do them, but not right before I do them. So I do them, and then die immediately. And this is why I'm not a pro player. Oh, jeez. Oh, nice one. Oh, Ash is shooting me and it hurts. And there's a Junkrat.
Back in action.
It's just frustrating that they have it locked behind document refer.
I'm gonna paste this into a private channel so I don't forget.
No, 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 no.
We don't have much time. Don't let up.
I have not Void of Vision. I haven't actually had a chance to meet up with that particular friend.
I died really sadly.
Moving to payload. Join me.
You're sad about what, Andasama? Just sad in general, because me too.
My ultimate is almost ready.
I'm making my way downtown, walking fast.
Just stay alive.
Oh my god. What a combo.
Oh, I almost got the Farah. She's low, and
Rains from above.
damn it, none of those hit the Mercy. Oh, nice. Also, did I hear Symmetra turrets? Because I do not want Symmetra turrets. I stepped in the trap while landing. Oi.
Back online.
Yahi param vastavikta hai.
Well, that's one way of doing it.
Fire in the hole!
Clearing the area.
No.
Ah, most of the team is dead. Oh, thank you.
No. That Farah's doing real well.
Did somebody get the payload moving?
Well.
Yep, the team's dead again.
Time is running out.
Oh no. There's nowhere to run. I have to remain perfectly silent here. Oh, they knew I was here. Oh, Symmetra turrets. They hurt.
If it isn't Farah, it's Ash. Damn. What does F8 do?
What's the official term? It just pauses something.
I mean F5 is refresh. I know that much.
F8 is
and I know F11 is the weird maximize thing.
Traveling to the right.
I might just leave Chrome with the dashboard open so that every time Jim asks me questions, I can answer very quickly. Yeah, Void Division.
Oh, you don't use the Discord app?
No, this is for the Twitch dashboard. I of course use the Discord app.
Okay. I was like... Okay. Brain.
Because that way I have the Chrome DevTools open so I can answer those kinds of questions.
I will protect the innocent.
Clearing the area. Damage amplified.
Attackers incoming in 30
Ah.
seconds.
What's it called? A watch? What? Because I wouldn't even know where to begin to breakpoint it.
Well, it's happening between, like, page reloads, which makes it a pain in the ass. Now.
Yeah.
Stop the payload.
This is kind of one of the dangers of my Twitch channel. We may be playing Overwatch, but the discussion is entirely either OBS or web development. Or both.
Why not both?
And like sometimes, for example, if it's just me and Sonic, we will almost exclusively talk Overwatch, you know, like really deep stuff. But if it's me and most of my other friends, it's programming to some extent. Oh, the Mercy's so low, and the frickin' Winston keeps jumping up high enough to frickin' electrocute me. No! Ah.
Winston got you.
I will not fail again.
Probably crap code on Discord's end, Hazakstar.
No.
That's been my experience with Discord code in general. And actually React code in general, because, as far as I know, Discord is React-based as well. Yes, they are, because they posted about code splitting.
Well, we are
awesome.
getting
Let me give you the Overwatch role so that you can see the Overwatch tab. Overwatch. Overwatcher. That's the one I was looking. Easy. Poor Jim's probably trying to, you know, figure out this thing, but the thing that I've learnt over the past year and 2 months working at the company that I'm at, working in React, using Webpack, is that JavaScript developers, especially those writing React itself and in React, or using the library, are evil. Evil idiots. Because React is such a hacky thing. In so many ways.
I don't like hacky things.
Like, the beauty of something like jQuery, which a lot of React developers hate. jQuery interacts with the DOM or the, you know, the document directly. The benefit of that is the changes you make are immediately reflected in everything. And the other thing about jQuery is that it's basically a bunch of utility functions to make writing JavaScript easier. That's all it's for, right? But because React doesn't work with the DOM directly, it makes its own DOM in JavaScript and then basically injects it onto the page whenever it feels there needs to be an update. The entire thing makes it very hard to interface with something like jQuery, because then the internal DOM that React is using and the DOM that is actually on the page don't match. Because jQuery is modifying the thing that it sees, but React is doing its own thing. So it's like, I hate everything.
Enemy turret down.
And I'm not saying, you know, it's the absolute worst way to do it, but it's a really bad way to do it. And sure, as long as it performs well.
Well, there's something to be said about doing stuff locally.
Hmm.
But if you're not... Well, that's kind of like, that's the distinction of, like, what's happened recently with web development, is people finally kind of, like, clued in, oh, hey, I don't need the server to do all this work to, like, set up an HTML page for me to render. I can just edit it locally with the script. And so, now you're dealing with people trying to optimize what was used before to make small edits into making full-fledged applications.
Yeah, but you've got people that are like, oh, everything has to be JavaScript. CSS has to be in JavaScript. The HTML has to be in JavaScript. And it's like, but they're three separate things that are designed for separate things. That's the whole point. In the same way you don't write Java in C, you don't write HTML in JavaScript. It's that simple.
Oh, damn. Well, I have my ult, but...
That'll slow him down. That was beautiful. Oh, thank God. You killed the Winston. I was worried he would eventually get to me. I'm occasionally feeling my frame rate drop by about 5 to 10 FPS every time I jump. Yeah, I'm at 45 now. Jeez. Oh, there's a Tob turret and it hurts.
Well.
Much better. Turret detected.
Oh.
Enemy turret down.
So,
Okay.
Raito in the Discord basically wrote, presumably the page content itself is updated with JS. Correct. That's the whole point of React. That's the problem. Because it's obfuscated completely. Every element on the page is rendered using a function called react.createElement.
I will not fail again.
60 seconds.
Yeah, that's the other problem that Dylan's also running into, which I expect to be a bigger issue, is that it's all minified. The thing is, at least the benefit will be that variables aren't minified. So what I might even be able to do is look at how many, because the actual web request returns HTML, which contains a few JavaScript files. So I'll be able to look at the individual JavaScript files and do a basic Control F for a couple things that I think might be the cause, and based on that. And Raito thinks it's all based on the API calls, which it's not going to be, because the API call won't tell you what the previous URL was, and that's where it's getting that information from.
Heroes never die.
Clearing the area.
Yes!
Oh! Lasers. Okay, the coach gun. Did the coach gun get an edit? Because before it was like point accurate.
Oh, I didn't point it at the Zarya properly.
Oh, please kill Zarya.
Back into the fray.
Get back for more.
60 seconds remaining.
Oh, need to reload. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope.
That's alright, Moira ran off in the complete wrong direction. Oh, Torb turret is all the way up on the balcony.
Back into the fray.
Get back. Enemy turret ahead. Watch yourself.
This is not going to end well.
Nope, 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 nope.
Nope. Not with that Torb turret over there. I need a. Ooh.
Whoa. What a close call. What a
Yeah.
close call. Holy cow.
Could have gone the other way very quickly.
That's a cool skin. I haven't done a Reaper in a really long time.
So, another tweet. They literally just buffed him ×2 today.
I wonder if we do get somebody at Twitch, we need to hand them over to Dylan and be like, here be brand guidelines. You guys gotta stop.
Void Division, no Aussie Day plans. My brother's birthday party will be this weekend. Because his birthday's on Sunday. So, and Australia Day is Saturday. So that's going to be an interesting weekend. My plan, ideally, is to stream either a lot of this Overwatch event or Anthem, depending on whether I get an Anthem invite. Because it's a VIP thing right now, which it's more of a, if you pre-order it, you can play it this weekend. But if you pre-order it, you also get 3 or 4 keys that you can send to friends. So I've got a couple friends who are looking at who they can send keys to, and if they have keys left over, they will send one my way. Because, like, I don't particularly need to play it this weekend. I think next weekend is the open beta that anyone can join, and I'll happily wait until then if need be. I'd rather play the Overwatch event that, you know, came out this morning, but we'll see. Ooh, barbecue. I had a lot of beef today. Had a nice beef curry at a Thai place for lunch. And then had a double whopper for dinner. Andasama, someone just tweeted, Twitch and OBS, can we get a once you raid or host end stream in OBS function? Being terrified of what I may have done while I thought I was offline is becoming a problem. That seems like a you problem, not an application problem.
That's definitely a you problem.
Because that has always been the case. Like, I remember modding for a streamer friend...
Well, it's the...
3-4 years ago, and it behaved the same way. If you hosted another person, your channel was technically still live. And all of that gets saved to the VOD.
Really? If you host some... I thought hosting or raiding cut the stream short.
No. It replaces the video player on your channel with someone else's. but you are still broadcasting to Twitch's ingest servers, and it still gets saved to the VOD. Not to mention, if the client they're using is pointed directly at your stream, for example, if you open the Twitch stream in a third-party program like Unstream, or if you load it in VLC, then it will continue playing your stream and not the person you sent them to, because it doesn't actually replace your stream, it just replaces the player on your webpage, or tells the mobile app, hey, you know, the official mobile app, hey, go to this channel. So yeah, it continues streaming. And therefore anyone can look at the VOD. So there's actually one person who, you know, one female streamer that took her top off after, you know, ending her stream by hosting someone, not by clicking stop streaming.
Awkward.
So like, GG.
Well, that's like...
Raptora systems online.
Like, there are things we can do in OBS to make it more obvious that you're still streaming, because the biggest issue with the bar along the bottom, right? For example, the green box and the bitrate next to it, that shows up regardless of whether you're streaming or recording or both. And so it's hard to tell what's going on. Yeah, Void Division. There are people who have minimized OBS after finishing streaming and coming back 12 hours later going, oh geez, I was streaming. I'm glad, you know, it was set to my goodbye scene. And it's like, do you not... How do you...
Back into the fray.
Do you not have a set of steps that you do when your stream ends, where you go, hit stop streaming, close OBS, right? Is that just me? Am I the only one who hits stop streaming manually? Because that means I've stopped streaming?
Yeah, I don't know. That's definitely what I do. Or I have mine where I have my shortcut to toggle. But I have it to toggle because I want to start, and then on the event that I need to cut, and I can't, like, just switch out, I need to just end it.
Maybe it helps that I'm just generally paranoid.
Oh no, I'm super paranoid. That's why I have, like, I have my thing set to toggle, so if I accidentally, like, it's a shortcut that I'm never gonna accidentally do, because it's like it's a pretty good combination. But yeah,
I don't know. I just don't get how people manage to accidentally continue streaming for 12 hours and not realize.
I've done it once.
For 12 hours?
But it was... I think I've done over 24.
Oh jeez.
That was because... That was the opposite case. It wasn't that I started streaming and then I, like, forgot to stop. It was I accidentally started streaming.
Yeah, which is why we have the, you know, show confirmation dialogue when you start streaming. I've reached the point, actually, where I think that should be on by default.
I think so, too. For most people. It just doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense to have any other thing. And because it's hidden in the general settings, nobody actually reads the settings. Which is maybe one of the weird things I do when I install an application. I'm like, okay, let's customize this and see what things it allows me to do.